In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an older version of an app using the Creative Cloud desktop app. This can be particularly useful when you need a feature that's no longer available in the latest update, or if you're looking for better compatibility with your current setup. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. If you've already got it installed, you'll probably find it happily sitting in your Applications folder, or maybe easily accessible from your taskbar or dock, depending on your operating system. It's the gateway to managing all your Adobe apps, so go ahead and fire that up. Once you have the Creative Cloud app open, you're going to turn your attention to the Apps tab. This is where all the magic happens, where you can see the full array of apps you've subscribed to. It's essentially your control center. Now, you need to locate the app of which you want an older version. Scroll through the list until you spot the specific application. This part is pretty straightforward, but make sure you're absolutely certain about which app you're addressing. The names can sometimes be surprisingly similar. Now, here comes the nuanced part. Next to the app tile you're interested in, you'll see the More Actions icon, which is marked by 3 little dots. Clicking this brings up a menu, kind of like a secret drawer with additional options. From this menu, you'll want to select Other Versions. It's here that the Creative Cloud app will provide you with a neat list of previously released versions of the application. As you browse through these available versions, find the one that suits your needs. Often, users jump back to a version that had a tool or feature particularly important for their workflow. Once you've made your selection, simply click Install. At this point, the Creative Cloud app will take over, managing the download and installation. No further action is needed, just patience while it loads everything properly. Now, if you're thinking about having multiple versions of the same app on your system, you'll want to make sure you don't inadvertently remove an older version when installing a new one. Adobe sometimes does this by default. This part is optional but highly useful. Head to Preferences within the Creative Cloud desktop app, navigate to Apps, and then click on Advanced Options. In there, you will see an option that says Remove Older Versions. Simply deselect this to ensure that older versions of the app aren't uninstalled automatically when the new one is installed. This technique is particularly helpful when you need to switch back and forth between versions. And there you have it. A streamlined guide to reverting to an earlier version of your Adobe apps. With this knowledge, you have more flexibility and control over your software environment. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.